This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure the Redmi K50i has over 50% battery and a working Wi-Fi connection, and back up anything important to Google Drive or local storage. Once done, confirm you know the device PIN and the Google account password because the phone will ask. Now open Settings, tap Accounts and Sync or Users and Accounts. This brings you to the list of signed and accounts. You're ready for the first actionable step to remove the Google profile. Once you're inside Accounts, choose the Google account you want removed and toggle off Sync for contacts, photos, and Drive if you prefer. Then tap Remove Account and confirm using your device PIN and the Google password when prompted. This prevents accidental sign-out. If the Remove button is grayed out, go back to Settings, right arrow Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps and Revoke Admin Privileges, and turn off Find My Device. After those steps, return. After removal, reboot the phone and verify Settings right arrow Accounts shows no linked Google profile. If you were removing the primary account before a resale or refresh, perform a factory reset via Settings right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options, right arrow Erase all data to clear accounts and caches. Make sure you sign into a local user or skip account setup. If the phone asks for previously used Google credentials after reset, FRP lock, you must enter them. If you cannot, contact Xiaomi service for authenticated help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.